Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankush and this is going to be a very quick video. Okay, so I would like to share with you one of the interview question about the top 5 or top n without using sets or group or any kind of the calculation. Okay, so basically the requirement is that you need to create a view for that. So first we need customer name, and top of that we need sum of profit. Okay, so now you can see we got top 10 customers and bottom customers. Okay, so now they are looking for, the client is looking for the, you need to create a calculation without using sets. Okay, so why they are looking for this kind of question? Because they wanted to check your like expertise in Tableau. Are you aware about the apart from the any of the calculation which are hidden, like you must have heard about it. We have the calculation first and last in Tableau. Very rarely use, but we have the calculation. We have the inbuilt function, the first and last. Okay. So how can you like create that using these two calculation? So it's very simple. So let's say I'm going to calculate it, the top five or bottom five, or let's say make it a top 10 and bottom 10. Okay. So I will say top 10 and bottom 10. So what I will do, so I will do first, so this is going to first, this is the table calculation. Okay, so I will say greater than -9, or this is last, also the table calculation, and I will say greater than 9. Okay, so let's make it a true, and let's okay, so you have the top 10 and bottom 10 without using a set. Okay, so you should aware about these kind of the function while you are preparing about the interview, because interview can ask anything if you have experience more than 3 years. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, please make sure subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching this.